At TechWiser, we cover a lot of earphones, headphones, and neckbands. But what we mostly use and actually recommend are the truly wireless earphones. The tech really excites us, and that's the buzz right now. So it's about time we revisit the best truly wireless earphones under budget. Hey, this is Prateek from TechWiser.com, and in this video we'll be covering Redmi AirDots, Noise Shots X Buds, Blanc Pen BTW01, one more true wireless earbuds. And of course, how do they stack up against the industry standard Apple AirPods and Galaxy Buds? If there's one budget TWS I can recommend to everyone, and of course my daily driver, it's the Redmi AirDots. Here's why. We all know the AirPods are the industry standard for TWS, and the Redmi AirDots is a lot similar. I mean, look at the case. The charging box is super sleek like the AirPods. It slides smoothly in and out of your pocket, unlike most bulky charging cases. And it's not just the charging case. When you open it, the earbuds are also sleek plus super comfortable. I end up wearing it the entire day without even noticing them, which is exactly the USP of AirPods. They also have physical buttons instead of a touchpad, so no accidental presses like I used to have with its elder sibling Xiaomi AirDots. But of course, these are budget earbuds, so there are some shortcomings. The battery life is not the best. They last around 12 to 14 hours on a full charge with the charging case, while the industry standard is somewhere around 24 hours. Same is the case with the call quality. And just to draw comparison from a close competitor, we have the Bolt's True 5, which has a better life comparatively. Plus, you can wear it in the shower, which none of the earbuds we tested do. The only caveat is these aren't the best looking earbuds, and the charging case is quite bulky too. Overall, if you're looking for a budget earbuds, these are the two we can recommend. Next up, we have the newly launched Noise Shots X Buds, the same company which made the popular Noise Shots X5. However, this one comes with a design change, kind of like the AirPods. And I don't like the AirPods design, and I don't like this either. But this design has one thing going for it. It brings the microphone close to your mouth, and thus the noise cancellation works great. About the audio quality, I felt it's quite average and they sound a bit boxy. I mean, you run them at full volumes and you would still feel it's not loud enough. The bass and the vocals were okay for my liking. It's good for watching videos or listening to podcasts, but I wouldn't recommend them for music. You should only get the Noise Shots X Buds if you handle a lot of calls and you think of doing it with the truly wireless ones. These are the best in this list when it comes to call quality. Next up, we have the Blanc Pen Earbuds, a popular German company, and the hopes were really high. And first impression, the case looks cheap and flimsy. I didn't expect that for this price, but it makes up for it with the earbuds. They feel premium as I took them out. It's good there is no branding on the earbuds. I like them this way, sleek and minimal. I took a few long calls on this one, indoor surroundings, and the audio was fine for the most part. But during the entire duration for the call, it had this weird light blinking on them, which is not the most classy thing to have. Although I have this complaint, whenever I put them on, I accidentally press the back, which triggers the Google Assistant. Even AirPods have the touch sensitive back, but they react only to double tap. So I don't mind the touch controls, but I believe the TWS makers should avoid the touch back. They are just a hit or a miss. And if you do it, at least keep it to double tap to avoid the accidental press. Or else, like the Galaxy Buds, give an option to disable the touchpad through the app. Anyways, moving on. What I like about these is the audio quality. It's much better than the Apple AirPods I used a while ago. Comparing it with the Noise Shots X5, which is around the same price, I find these are more comfortable, but X5 have better battery and buttons. So the choice is simple. The battery range and connectivity is pretty standard, nothing really to talk about. One More Earbuds is quite a popular brand in the US and I was really excited to try them out. For first impressions, I have to say, they look premium. You press a button on this case, the lid pops open. The case is quite big though. I prefer smaller ones that easily fit in my jeans like Redmi AirDots or Apple AirPods. The earbuds have a hoop design, somewhat like the Galaxy Buds, which doesn't add that much bulk and yet make sure the earbuds don't spill from the ear. Another thing I like about the earbuds is the button placement. Most earbuds use the touch controls that often accidentally get activated. The Redmi AirDots placed buttons on the back, so you have to push it against your ear, which again gets weird at times. But here in the One More, the buttons are on the side, which is the best placement I've seen so far. Quite creative. They also offer fast charge, so it takes about 45 minutes to charge the buds from 0 to 100. These have Bluetooth 5 and aptX, so theoretically they should offer great music and less lag over the competition. Fair enough, this is something I would expect at this price range, and although the music is good, it doesn't blow my mind. So judgment time. Which one should you get? Well, if you're looking for a budget truly wireless earphones, the Redmi AirDots is the best you can get. These don't offer great audio quality, and well, if that's your priority, you should get the Blanc Pen wireless earbuds or the One More wireless earbuds. But if you can up your budget, I would really recommend you try out the Apple AirPods or the Galaxy Buds. Both of them are not perfect and we expect a lot of innovation in this industry, but they are mile ahead of the competition. And those were my recommendations. Let me know below in the comments what you feel about the whole truly wireless tech. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. See you soon.